All right, so we're going to start this problem. We have three things going on here this time instead of just two, and we have a mix of coefficients with different variables. We got a couple w's floating around, and then we got a couple v's floating around. And you just want to separate this basically into three separate problems, and definitely keep track of the difference between coefficients and the variables. So to kick it off, I always start with the coefficients first. So we're going to look at the 4, the 2, and the 3. And this is a multiplication problem, and they are coefficients, so we will actually multiply those. 4 times 2 makes 8, times 3 more makes 24. So that takes care of the coefficients. And then it's best to try to do the unknowns in alphabetical order, just because it's for organizational purposes, just to keep your mind straight. So I have w and a w to the 5th. If I need to write like a little tiny 1 here, it is assumed that this is w to the first power. That might help make sense of some things. So if I have 1w times w to the 5th, I'll have a total of 6 w's being multiplied together. So in exponential notation, that's w to the 6th. And then for the v to the 5th times v to the 8th, I have 5 v's being multiplied together and 8 v's being multiplied together, for a total of 13 v's being multiplied together, v to the 13th. That's my final answer. Try the next example, see how it goes.